Bienvenido a otro weekend black con la yo, tu favorita. Ahora mismo estoy de camino para hacerme estas uñas que están de hacer. Tengo como tres semanas. Me la voy a cortar, me voy a hacer un French ahí lindo porque ya estoy harta de la uña larga. No me gusta tener la uña. Esto es demasiado largo para mí. So, señores, lato. Oh my gosh, she really ate y'all bitches with that one. She really ate, left no crumbs. My good sis Olato. But I'm in a good mood porque, mi amor, me voy de vacaciones. Me estoy preparando. Me toca los pies y la mano. Si ustedes ven estos pies, mi amor, daco. Pero estoy llegando. Cannot wait to do my feet. So, nos vemos allá.
Bet you on that shit, boo. He get money, I get money too. Like, who gon' trick on who? Do you rap or do you tweet? Cause I can't tell, get in the booth, bitch. Stop.
Llegué donde mi muahhh.
Expedient.
Hello.
Hola, baby.
Hola.
Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, are you stuck in your zone? You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. Know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Be on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on?
Sis, yo no pude hacer el maquillaje. Mi amor, ella está, mi amor, fabulosa. Lashesito. Noni no estaba en este.
Claudia no estaba.
Noni no estaba ahí. Yo ni pude. Yo ni pude hacerme las lashes. No pude hacer nada porque la Bendy, mi amor, es de fe.
Claro.
Bebiendo, comenzando. Let's go, because this is supposed to be at 7 y son las 6:43.
Vamos. ¿Son las 6:43?
Exactamente. You better speed it up. We out. La felicidad que yo tuve en depositar a mi chichi. Oh my god, finally, I need a drink. Ya me degalillé.
We deserve this.
For real.
She's recording.
And it felt good outside. Fiol, nos vemos. Here. Ahí tú. Señora, yo no sé si yo voy a grabar. Yo tengo como, tú sabes que yo soy media like shy. Y hay gente aquí. The vibes is giving Tropicana. Mexicano. Don tequila.
Ooh, I see the colors.
The mirror. Señores, este es el menú. Mrs. ¿Qué va a beber?
I'm going to get a margarita, la jalapeno.
I'm getting the mojito y después la margarita.
Claro. Claro.
Amor, mi mojito. ¿Cómo se llama eso? Jalapeno.
Jalapeno margarita.
Dale un How is it? It's spicy.
It's not spicy, but it's good.
Let me taste. El mío vino. Oh, I'm gonna taste that one next.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be spicy.
Sis, this good. Let's switch. This look aesthetic. La empanada, una es de queso y jamón, otra de pollo y la otra de steak. Vamos a ver cómo sabe. Ay, mi amor, y claro, el mayo ketchup. Yuca con onions, un huevito, steak, mi ensaladita, el arroz, los totones, las fries.
This flauta, that's about to bang.
A flauta? You order flauta?
I meant to say this churrasco.
I was about to say. Ay, mi amor, ella está borracha ya. Señora, yo necesito drink y ella está lenta. Ella está lenta. She said flauta. She got whole churrasco.
Why I got this flauta in my hand?
That shit hitting. Señora, sis, tú estás lenta.
Sis,
Yo
pero-
terminé.
¿Y ese lemon drop que viene? Thank you.
Tú no lo has ordenado, mi
Qué
amor.
pico de gallo. Me falta cebolla.
Le vamos a dar con todo. Nos vemos en un rato. Salud. Salud. Fuerte. Está
That
fuerte.
shit's strong as hell.
Eso está fuerte. Otro y vamos para la barra. Para después buscar la Bendy. Nos vemos en la barra. Estamos aquí presentes en la casa de mi sis. No, hay reguero porque se está mudando. Mi sis, congratulations, claro. Raúl. Claro. Fue mami. Ella quiere estar en el teteo. Ella quiere estar donde está mami. Feliz domingo. En estos momentos son las 11:06. Ya estamos ready para ir a la iglesia. Estamos a tiempo para ir a la iglesia. Qué bueno, because la misa starts at 11:30. So we are ready. I didn't feel like doing the most today. No maquillarme. Natural. Yo tengo un reguero allá arriba. I gotta get ready for DR. Yo no he hecho la maleta. Bueno, la comencé a hacer, entonces... Anyway, había un problema, entonces la tengo que hacer de nuevo. So, yo tengo que hacer eso, si no hoy, mañana. y no sé qué voy a hacer. Pero en este momento voy para la iglesia. Y después que salga de la iglesia, mi mejor amiga me va a hacer un wax. Porque, mi amor, si ustedes no sabían, mi hermana del alma, ella va a ser un waxer. Period. She's about to have her own business, like, and I'm gonna always be there to support. So ella me va a hacer el wax. Ustedes van a ver, mi amor, es una mujer profesional. Señores, the aesthetic. Cheese. Dile hola a la gente.
Say hi.
That's my baby. El daycare. Traigan su muchacho. She's setting the table.
Vete a jugar con Buba.
El wax está calentando. Don't play with it. Es una vaina profesional. A sufrir voy yo. I don't know. I'm gonna do my underarms first. My underarm first. Y después my legs. And then allá abajo.
Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, had a faucet running at night.